Hi traders, welcome to my Forex video tutorial. Okay, basically in this tutorial today, we'll be going through this Forex Fibonacci strategy that I'm using. In fact, this is a very good strategy to use and I recommend it to all of you guys. So first of all, why Fibonacci strategy? This must be the question that crosses your mind now. Okay, and basically the reason why Fibonacci strategy is because the Fibonacci indicators, right, comes with a retracement, which is a very strong level of support and resistance. Because a Fibonacci indicator is widely used by those institutional traders, therefore you find that the price usually respects this level. And you find that the price actually gets bounced by it, and this is exactly what we are going to trade with. Okay, we are going to enter a trade when the price hits a retracement, a strong retracement. Okay, and then we are going to use the extension of the Fibonacci tool to predict where the price is going to end, and we're going to exit a position there. Okay, so let's take a look at the next slide. So let me talk more about this Fibonacci extension function. So you see that when you see the price, right, retracing to the 0.618 level and then get repelled by it, there's a high chance that the price will eventually extend itself to the 1.618 level. Okay, so when you see the price retracing itself to the 0.500 levels and then really repelled by it, there's a high probability that you'll see the price extend to 1.5 or even 1.618 level. However, if you see the price retracing itself to 0.382 levels and then get repelled by it, the price will most probably hit 1.272. So let me show you some example here. Okay, let's take a look at this example. Can you see? I draw a Fib mount, this high point, this is a low point, and I draw a Fibonacci level. Okay, and can you see that the price actually retrace, and hit the 0.5, can you see 0.5 level, and then get repelled by it. You can see that eventually, but this is where it ends. Goes all the way until 1.500. But imagine that we enter a trade here and we take a profit here. Okay, this will be a lot of money. Okay, so besides this example, right, let me show you another example. You can see this is a swing low, this swing high, and we draw a Fib in this manner. You can see that it actually retrace and hit the 0.5 level and then get repelled by it, and true enough, hit this 1.5 and then even go to 1.618 level. Okay, that's how powerful the Fibonacci indicator is, and this is exactly what we are going to do in this Fibonacci strategy. Okay, so the indicators that we are going to use, right, is the Fibonacci indicator itself, and you need to plot the MACD indicator with default setting, okay, as well as stochastic indicators. So let's go through the examples. So let me show you some example here. Okay, can you see? Take a look at this picture here. Can you see we have this MACD indicator plotted out. We have this stochastic indicator plotted out. Can you see? This is where we're going to enter a trade. Can you see when you see that when the price, right, retrace and hit the Fib level, right? Okay, you must make sure that the stochastic is very close to the overbought or oversold zone. In this case, since we are going to go short, right, we must make sure that the price is hitting the overbought zone. Can you see here? 80 line is where the price hitting overbought, and 20 line is the place where the price hit oversold. And true enough, you can see when it hits the 1.5 level, it is overbought. But you will not enter a trade. You will only enter your trade when the MACD indicator, when the MACD indicator, right, the histogram flips downwards. You can see from above it flips down. This is where you enter trades, and this is how much you're going to make. Okay. So this is one example that we have. Let's take a look at another example here. Okay, so this is another example that we have here. You can see, similarly, the price actually goes up, retrace. Okay, as it retraces, right, it hits the Fibonacci 0.5 level. You can see it's oversold just now, and now it's very close to oversold zone. You will not enter a trade. You wait for the MACD indicator to flip up, and this is where you enter a trade, and this is the profit that you're going to make. So basically, this strategy, right, all you need is plot a Fib level, okay? Wait for the price to retrace and hit a level, and check first of all, you check the stochastic indicator to see if it's overbought or oversold. We are going to go long, right? You must have the stochastic indicator, right, at the oversold zone or at least near the oversold zone. If you are going to enter a short trade like this, you must have the stochastic indicator, right, close to the overbought zone. Okay? Once you achieve this, you wait for the MACD indicator to flip, and this is where you enter a trade. Okay, So basically, I hope that you guys find this strategy useful. For more indicator tips and trading strategy, you could just visit my blog at forexindicator.org, and this is the place where I share, okay, my trading experience. I show you the forex indicator that I used, okay, how I use them. I write it inside the blog here. On this part here, right, you'll see the tutorial whereby I show you the strategy that I'm using, or trend trading strategy, moving average, crossover strategy that I'm using, so you guys can try it out yourself. Okay, most importantly, right, it comes with Forex FAQ, and these are questions that are asked by the subscriber of the newsletter, okay, and I just answer them here so that all of you can benefit from it. Okay, basically to join the Forex newsletter is very simple. It's a free newsletter. Okay, I call it the Forex Trader newsletter. It's free. Once you join, you get a Forex signal indicator, and you can download the first chapter of my book, the Forex Trend Line Strategy. Okay, currently there are about 6,055 subscribers to this newsletter, and every week I try to answer the question twice from my subscriber. Okay, so I hope that you guys like this tutorial that I've done it for you, and I'll talk to you soon.